Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over section 8.2, addition and subtraction of rational expressions. In 8.1, we covered multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Now we're going to deal with the addition and subtraction of rational expressions. Since rational expressions are essentially fractions, adding and subtracting them is a little bit more difficult than multiplying or dividing them, because adding or subtracting fractions is harder than multiplying and dividing fractions, because you have to find a common denominator. So first we'll figure out how to get a common denominator, and then we'll figure out how to add and subtract rational expressions. When you're looking for a common denominator, you're generally looking for the least common multiple. So for instance, if I was trying to add 5 over 18 plus 7 over 12, I'd have to find a common denominator. And the common denominator is also what's known as the least common multiple of the denominators. So in this case, how do I find the least common multiple of 18 and 12? Well, one approach is we could do the prime factorization of these two numbers. 18 goes to 2 and 9 is 3 and 3. So 18 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3. And 12 breaks into 2 and 6, and this is 2 and 3. So the prime factorization of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. And our goal for a least common multiple is to have every single factor that appears in both of these things, but no extra ones. So we can start with the left side. We know that this thing has to be divisible by 18, so it's going to need at least a 2, a 3, and a 3. And for every one of these, if it appears in the other, we can eliminate that one. So there's 1, 2, so I can eliminate 1, 2 here. There's a 3, so I can eliminate this 3. But there's a 2 left over, so what I need is a 2. So I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 2. So you see here, 2 times 3 times 3, this is 18. But if I grab these ones, this is 2 times 2 times 3, this will be 12. So this number, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, has a 12 in it as well as an 18 and nothing extra. So this will be the least common multiple, which is 36. Now to add these fractions, I need to multiply each fraction by the missing factors. So here I have 18, which is 2 times 3 times 3. I'm missing a 2 to make it into 36. So to add these fractions, I need to multiply by 2 over 2, which is 1 in a very special form. And that will make the denominator 36. And over here, for the 12, I'm missing a 3, right? This is 2 times 2 times 3, and I'm missing this 3 over here. So I'm going to multiply this fraction by 3 over 3. This will give me 15 over 36. Over here, I'm going to get 21 over 36. And finally, now that I have the same denominator, I can add these fractions together. 15 plus 21 is going to be 36 over 36, and that's equal to 1. So that's how you add two fractions.